Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is all about Rafael Paeng Villareal Nepomuceno, six-time world bowling champion. Rafael Paeng Villareal Nepomuceno, a Filipino bowler at coach na anim na beses na world bowling champion. Siya ay isang World Bowling Hall of Famer at siya ang una at tanging bowling athlete na ginawaran ng prestihiyosong IOC or the International Olympic Committee President's Trophy. Tinanghal din siyang International Bowling Athlete of the Millennium ng FIQ or the Federation Internationale des Quilleurs noong 1999 at naluklok sa Philippine Sports Hall of Fame noong 2018. Si Rafael Paeng Nepomuceno ay ipinanganak noong January 30, 1957 sa Quezon City, Philippines, kina Nepomuceno at Teresa Villareal. Ang ama ni Paeng Nepomuceno si Angel ay isang bowling coach habang ang kanyang ina ay isang dating Miss Philippines. Nag-aral siya sa Salle Green Hills para sa kanyang pag-aaral sa elementarya at high school. Nag-aral siya sa Adamson University para sa kanyang pag-aaral sa kolehiyo. Paeng is the first Filipino bowling athlete to be honored with a commemorative stamp when the Philippine Postal Corporation issued a world-renowned Filipino Living Legend stamp na may imahe upang ipagdiwang ang ika-75th taong anibersaryo ng unang silyo ng Pilipinas noong November 13, 2021. Siya ay nanalo ng World Cup of Bowling ng 4 na beses, 1976, 1980, 1992 at 1996. Nanalo rin si Paeng sa World's Invitational Tournament noong 1984 at sa World 10 Pen Masters Championship noong 1999. He has been honored by the Guinness World Record 4 times. Ang una niya ay ang pinakabatang 10-pin bowling world champion sa pamamagitan ng pagkapanalo sa 1976 Bowling World Cup sa Tehran. Pagkatapos ay para sa pinakamaraming panalo ng 10-pin Bowling World Cup from 1976, 1980, 1992 at 1996 at para sa pinakamaraming 10-pin bowling titles na 133 at nakamit sa Quezon City, Philippines noong July 13, 2019. He broke his own record of 118 titles which was first established in 2007. Paeng is also a USBC Gold Level coach, the only Asian to hold the certification from the United States Bowling Congress. He was named by the Philippine Sports Writers Association the Athlete of the Century in 1999. The Bowlers Journal Internationale picked Paeng as its greatest international bowler in its international edition in September 2004 and also on its November 2013 100-year anniversary issue. Si Paeng Nepomuceno ay kinasal kay Syra Pinky Puyat mula noong siya ay 25 years old. Mayroon silang isang anak na lalaki at 2 anak na babae. Nepomuceno is a physical fitness enthusiast and also participates in runs and lift weight as cross-training to improve his performance in bowling. Sa kasalukuyan, siya ay isang propesor at isang senior lecturer sa University of the Philippines. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Clive James, a life without fame can be a good life, but a fame without life is no life at all.